can't eat it.
Why?
Because I don't eat chicken.
TSC.
No.
Okay.
What kind of chicken is KFC? So guys, we're gonna do a mukbang. I'm waiting on mom. If y'all haven't met my mom before, the lady you just saw here is my mom. She'll soon be back. And we're gonna show you what mama cooked this morning. We're gonna show you what is. What is this? Come tell them what is.
Vegetable rice,
Breadfruit.
beetroot, meat.
What kind of meat? What kind of meat this?
Meat.
What kind of meat this? In our plate. Tell him this is burger. What kind of meat this?
Chicken.
Eh boy, I am pretty. Tell him food.
Hi guys, so I'm not there for food.
Karen, you gonna put your hand in your mouth, boy. Mama, your food not ready yet. Mommy, pick up your food then. You ready? Put some ketchup on mine. Oh. And one boy putting all the chicken. Me know say nice and yes finger licking. I don't eat chicken, guys. No chicken for Rasta. So how are you gonna eat your food? Mm-hmm. Can I get some ice shrimp? Shrimp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't know your girl Melika Skylight in the building. And what of them? Who this? What's your name? Introduce yourself.
My name is Sarah Ricketts.
Yo! And who this? Mummy, introduce yourself.
Me live at nice.
Mummy, I think you need to come over. Your head still a cut off. Your head. Tell them what you're getting.
Well, I'm having rice and peas, vegetable, roast breadfruit, plantain, and fish.
See mine here, same thing. Rice and peas. You not get no breadfruit? Breadfruit. Plantain. Nice and supple. Plantain is my favorite. And fish. So, right now, we're under quarantine because I don't know what's going on in that place. It really breaks my heart. Where I work at a hotel. And everybody gone home. Sorry for people, them people have rent loan, picking for feed.
And the coronavirus has come.
And they're not gonna be paid, you know, so I don't know. Wait, who make it you have to get paid?
I'm trying to do them after their salary. But me hear this, say the government said they're going to give them something. Like every 2 weeks.
They give them something, but they have to apply for it.
Okay.
It's kind of technical. So, plantain well nice. Plantain is my favorite.
I love fresh plantain.
Stop the camera more. Too far.
And do you love?
My But seriously though, I think so we catch that thing there already a long time for in January. Because I remember my first time gone. Just gone so I wasn't.
That have nothing to do with it.
You don't think I think it?
No.
A lot of people now take it serious too. If you don't watch news,
If you watch news out here about the virus, you can't go.
international news.
Don't let go to your yard.
Good boy. Some people have said they don't think about it cause from and things up there. But I don't know, what you think?
Mama said don't let go to your
Put in
yard.
the comment section if you don't think about really causes or so nuclear thing. I don't know.
Some nuclear gas they let up on the people them. And make it just spread over everywhere. So much people kinda dead. so much people can dead in a one day. 600, 800 just dead so. Something else they behind it, but they're not telling the real truth. People using the brain and look into it.
Sometimes them must tell lies.
Hey, hey boy. Listen. Me think the government know something. But they not tell you like. Me not understand some other information. Something missing to me. You know think so?
What did I say just now? They're not telling the real truth, people.
And sometimes them must tell lies. And they don't know what them are do.
Anna, more serious note, mama cooking. Guys, when plane also free up again, taxi transportation also. And I need to come to my house, go and get some food.
They can't do that, no one. You don't want to
Yeah,
talk.
I'm on your one.
You want to talk here?
Keep it on.
Move!
Ruffian, get away.
So,
You say mama say put with you.
can I get them? I know. Right now, Jamaican them now do. Mommy come to the dog and take out your plate, your food out your plate. Them now do the social distancing, me I tell you. Yesterday me done a beer and two marina things. Ramping in up on you. I'm in the car. Me I watch them. You know movie. I bear this. Hey boy, you ramp with me for. Beer spit me see I come out of man mouth for the next man, you know, because me dey a distance, me can see clear. Move! Me say watch you cook around and come out of your mouth. Puh. And another thing, people, me can't get dressed to go where me I go. Me not take no more taxi because me can't manage it.
Where go take? You have your own right?
Call the people them for come to me. Whee!
Find your husband.
Sorry, you got mixed up though.
Mama, me tell me give me pork gravy, you don't give me none. I'm giving you a fine rice.
Mommy still eat chicken and eat something so. Tell me you're full? Don't look for me so. Vegetable.
Tell me no vegetable.
Mommy are different. Mama specialty a pork. I'm going to tell you. Sometimes I wish we could have eat it, but I discipline myself. Guys, me just think, what do you just do? It just done for me, say. No, make a good for you. I tell you.
And sometimes people know this.
Good, but people are cooking properly. From the barn, me they eat meat until now.
I don't know, I'm from by from town. Me are from meat.
Alright, I carrot them next.
When you get too much gravy now in it, can't do. I eat too much gravy, I have report. Me think, me just go for a little break with the meat. Me don't know how long. What you want? You want?
No. Sorry.
Eat half a chicken. Yeah, meat. Me stop eat meat like maybe almost a month now. And the size of my belly gone down without me even
Me not stop
exercise.
eat meat, yeah? We don't got burger chicken, we order.
Fish sandwich. Even without me exercising, I see my belly go down, like my belly went bloated. But when you just stop, your belly actually get bloated, big. You have to try it and see how I go on. Let me just stop it. Don't stop planting.
Take off your plate.
Planting.
Planting like a bun. Thump.
that's a going on now.
All meat in a rasta can. Me I use my time and work out and try to eat right and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
All kind of something Melissa do. Me and Auntie and Melissa.
Because you have to try to keep healthy in times like these. You know?
When the virus come, and then every virus come again.
If you're not healthy, right?
Eat too much bun, meaty,
Yes.
sugar,
Yes. Not drinking enough water.
drinking juice, chubby,
Yes.
soda.
Yes.
The teas around here.
Damn it. Mommy, I play with the
But
food.
me chicken. Come look.
Sorry, eat up. Never done before you.
I don't know.
Do your pork up the moon.
Me, I forgot work. Still based on the type of job I'm do. But push come to shove and this thing I get serious, mommy, me not think me can go there, no.
You start that school?
Me think me can go. No. When you feel this RJR. No, that's a mellow.
Alright, no shake that.
Mama no. Mama no when I
So guys, we're gonna just basically devour our food. For me, that's practical. Let me eat fast.
I look for mine. That's in great
Mommy,
Melissa.
you want help? Give me some pizza bread. Pizza bread food.
Please.
So, oh,
Just a pork.
no, give me none.
No more.
You that, yeah.
Guys, see you on the next video. Remember to wash your hand properly.
And sanitizer and I wipe your hand.
Yes. Properly. Not the old fast way. Because
If you don't wash your hand go keep dirty. You know, brush your teeth up, your teeth go your teeth.
it's serious.
One
Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Say hi to mommy in the comment section below.
Hi.
Subscribe, guys. I really appreciate
Say
all
hi,
my.
say hi, auntie.
No, I do the same. I say bye.
Oh my God! Excuse me. Oh dear, my younger man. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. I definitely see you on the next video. I'm trying to create more content for you guys. Seeing that I'll be home full time, yes. This thing is affecting everybody. Just maybe I have to be working from home full time, like trying to do my own thing. Because we're living in a time where it's just so uncertain. The level of uncertainty right now is unbelievable. Never seen this before. I don't know when I never done. I have to stop going to school. My time at school now extend. I don't know. I never done this year.
at school. Misuga.
Because now school now will keep summer. You understand? I'm not even home. I just have to just take it one day at a time. If I don't work, I'm going to get money from to go to school. I have to just do one thing at home. Sell my belt them and sell my berry gun and do my online stuff.